taking off. We've finally taken off. I'm so excited. Finally. I'm so mad that I have to sit next to her. I don't like this. I'll just not deal with it. Ow! Hey, well, let me find her. Ow! Hey, excuse me. Why would you just do that? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see you were there. Well, you should have known that there was a pony beside you. And I'm the Princess Twilight, by the way. Whatever. Ow! Watch it, ponies! See, you made another pony mad. Matt, how do you feel about that? Amazing. Ow! Watch it, ladies! Well, okay, I guess. 4 hours later. Shh. We're landing! As the pony get back into our seats, we are now landing. Yay! Now I'm gonna attend my fashion show finally. Oh yeah! I can finally show my musician self! Ugh. Yes, I'm finally here at Rainbow Island. Come on, every pony. I'm right here. Right behind you, darling. Right up here, Sugar Cube. Wait for us! Don't forget about me! Alright, let's go spend our life on Rainbow Island. This is what you call relaxation. This is what you call relaxation. This is amazing. Yeah, I admit it. This is actually pretty awesome. I know, right? This is amazing. Ugh, there's those ponies again. I just won't mind them. Ugh. I can't stand them in that spot. I always get that spot. You know what? I'm just gonna walk away. Ooh, 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 ooh. it here. This is awesome. Yeah, this is fine, right? Totally fine. Oh look, it's the same ponies from the plane. Oh, and there's that one pony that wanted to steal my seat, but she did. So I had to take a different plane because the plane was full. Darling, this is beautiful. This is beauty. Let's do some beach fun. Yes. Yes, beach fun. Yay, fun. Fun. Why don't we play some volleyball? I call being on Team Fluttershy Rarity. Okay. But just to warn you, we're the good ones at buckball. I want to be on the buckball team. Okay, well, I'm not really good at buckball, so... Pretend that we're the ball. Pass! Oh, nuts. Yes! Again. Ouch! How are we so bad at this? I don't know, darling. Well, you better improve. Or 3 hours later. I'm actually kind of tired now. Yeah, why don't we go find our hotel room? At the hotel. Whoa! Look at our beds! I call the beauty bed. I call this bed. I call this. But where are me and Twilight gonna sleep? Don't worry. We get to share beds. I call sharing with Rarity. Fluttershy, do you want to share? Sure, Twilight. All right. The next day. Smell that morning breeze. I think, or should I say ocean breeze? Yes, ocean breeze. But still, smell that ocean breeze. This is good. Amazing. Yeah. Huh? That was weird. Huh? Okay, who's there? Is any pony there? Show yourself. It's coming from right beside me. Wait a minute, is my shadow doing this? I don't think my shadow's doing this. Stop making that croaking noise, whoever pony you are. Stop doing that. Okay, seriously, show yourself. Show yourself. Fine, if you can't show yourself, say something. That's not a word. That's not a word, whoever pony is there. That's it. I'm telling my friends about you. Huh, it stopped. Maybe it was all in my imagination. You got to be kidding me! What is that sound? To be continued.